play 1, 4, 5 or 2, 6, 3. Do you understand that? That is called Nashville numbering system, using Roman numbers. For example, 1, 4, 5 as commonly used. Do you understand? I want to explain it shortly from the key of C. From the key of C, we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. But remember, the formula is the first one is major, the second one minor, the third one minor, the fourth one major, the fifth one major, the sixth one is minor, and the seventh one is a diminished chord. My simple formula for that is ma. Mimi, mama, midi. Very simple formula for myself. So that I know the first chord is major. That is C. The second one is D minor. D minor. The third one is E minor, or otherwise held this way. The fourth one is F major. F major can be played like this, or you can play it in the E shape of the same sounding. The same sounding there. You feel the sounding is the same. The same boom, boom. That is the fourth chord. The fifth chord is a G. That G is the fifth chord there. The sixth chord is A. But remember, it is an A minor. So how do we hold A? A major is held this way, or otherwise held this way. But A minor, you play it like this. A minor. A minor. Then from G, A, B, how can we get our B chord? Very simple. If this is A, you know very well that this is A. B flat. Then this is our B. This is our B chord. So it means from A minor, you come to the A shape of B. B. So that is our B. Then back to C or C. That is the Nashville numbering system. How does it help you? It helps you to solo. It helps you to play a systematic rhythm within the key. After that, you get the caged system within this middle part also. You shall know that this is C, this is F, and you can also identify those chords within this area. For example, I started with C. The second one is D, and it is a D minor. D minor. Then we go to E minor. How do we get E minor? This is D minor. D, E flat, or this is the E minor. E minor. Then we go to the F, and our F is F major. Then go to G. Our G is a G major. Here we have this G here, and we have this G here. It is you to choose which one you want to play. Then we go to A minor. A minor. Where is our A? It's always simple using the bar chords. This is the string. This string number 2. You can play A minor anywhere along this place. You can see that, for example, here is G sharp or A. No, G flat or A sharp, depending on the raising. Then we have here, because this is a note. If this is G, A sharp or A flat or B or A G flat or A, no, G sharp or A flat or G sharp or A flat, then we have our A chord here. Then B. How do we get our B? If this is G, A, B, our B is here. This is our B chord. Listen to. Then back to C. We have C here, just next to B, or we have this C here. It is you to choose. So that is in the middle part. On this other end, we have our C. Our C is here. Our D is here. And this is D major. So you identify a D minor. Then you follow the same format. I'll do a full tutorial on this. If you comment there below that there is something remaining, I shall do it. My one-on-one lesson WhatsApp number is 0792544905. Please subscribe and share my content if you find it helpful to you. If you are a new member, please feel welcome. You belong here. And may the Lord God bless you all as we proceed with the lessons. Thank you very much.